a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm going to be doing a vegan kheer for you. So we are doing a vegan quinoa kheer. Before we go and see the recipe, request you to please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get intimation of all the videos we keep doing. Let's quickly go and see the recipe now. Hi guys, so today we are doing a vegan quinoa kheer. It's healthy, nutritious, loaded with lots and lots of vitamins and minerals, and especially we are doing it in an earthen pot today. So here I have 100 ml of coconut milk. I've kept the same to boil and I'm cooking the kheer for my whole family. So you will have to take only the prescribed measurement which is being given in your plan. Here I have boiled quinoa. So I have boiled the quinoa in a pressure cooker with some amount of water. There you go. So we have coconut milk, we have quinoa, and now we're going to give it a nice boil to the milk. Once we feel that the milk is nicely boiled, then we're going to add a small teaspoon of cardamom powder, and we are going to put the lid and cook the kheer for about 5 to 10 minutes on slow flame. Now once our kheer is well done, so you can see that the quinoa, the coconut milk is mixed up well. Now we are going to add the coconut sugar to the same. 3 tablespoons of coconut sugar. And mix this really well. And once this is done, we're going to add, so I have taken this water previously, warmed it a little bit and add some saffron strands to it. So I'm going to add this to my kheer. And our delicious vegan saffron kheer is ready. We are going to top it up with some saffron strands and some chopped almonds. There you go. So our healthy, delicious vegan quinoa kheer is ready. The benefits of it are, it's extremely low in glycemic index. That means it helps you to burn a lot more calories. It is extremely low in glycemic index. Second, it is really rich in protein. And lastly, it contains all the essential amino acids. It is a wonderful grain. It's also known as one of the super grain products. Thank you.